fantastic. Thank you for that introduction. Okay, so can you think of a number between 1 to 10? Keep it in your head. Yeah? Mm-hmm. You got the number? Okay, can you tell me that number? What's the number? Just tell me.
10.
Thank you. Okay. All right, can you think of another number? One more number between 1 and 9.
1 and 9?
Between 1 and 9. One more number. Okay, 7. Okay, so Daddy's going to show you how you take away a number from another number. Okay, so this is 10 and this is 7. So if Daddy had 10 apples, how many apples?
10.
10 apples, okay, yeah. And Irie ate 7 apples, yes. How many apples does Irie have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, should Daddy show you that again? Okay, can you give me another number? Another number between 1 and 10. 3. Okay, magic number. Can you give me another number? 8. Okay, so let me think of another scenario. Okay, if Daddy bought 8 ice creams, because you like ice creams, don't you? Yeah, Daddy bought 8 ice creams. Okay, and Mummy ate 3 of those ice creams. How many ice creams would we have left?
Count.
Go on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, good job. Fantastic. Okay, can Daddy think of 2 numbers and you're going to work it out for me now? You ready? You sure? Okay, let me give you the numbers. It's my turn. Okay. Can you pick up the number 9?
Number 9 is easy.
Okay. And can you pick up the number 5?
Easy.
Fantastic. Okay, so let me give you a little story. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Irie really liked chocolate. She went to the shop and she bought how many chocolates? 9 chocolates, okay. And then Judah, your sister, she saw that you had chocolates and she ate how many of them?
5.
5. So, how many chocolates did Irie have left?
4.
4. You didn't even have to count. Let's double check. Should we check? We count together. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
See, I told you I was right.
Good job. Now, can I ask you a question, Irie? When Daddy was adding numbers together, did you notice that I put the 9 and I put the 5 together if I was adding, right? Yeah? But when I'm taking away from one number, what do? I place it on top.
Then it's still 4.
And then you count how many is left, which is 4.
It's easy. I have the number 4.
It's 4. Superstar. Okay, well done. High five.